guys, back for another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can fix your slime if it's not stretchy, if it's not fun to play with. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so what you're going to do is get a cup and put the slime in the cup. Okay, so now what you're going to do is, just unplug the phone, is you are going to put warm water and warm water only into the slime. Put some water. And trust me, this is not going to damage your slime, but you are going to keep this warm water in for about a minute or two, and you're just going to let it sink into the slime. Or like 10 seconds. Doesn't matter how long. Okay, I think I'm going to take it out. Oh. So at first your slime is going to feel like very watery, and you're going to think it messed it up. But while you play with it, it's going to be stretchy and more valuable to play with. And the more you play with it, the less watery it's going to get. And it's just going to be better consistency. You're going to start to feel it drying up, and it's going to be more stretchy. So you're going to do this once again, and you're going to leave it for a longer amount of time that you did it for the last time. And you're going to put some more water. So, yeah. I'm just going to leave it for a longer amount of time because I didn't really get much out of it. Like 35 seconds. Okay, I'm going to rinse the water out, and I'm going to take it out. Okay, it feels better now. I love the way it feels when it's watery. It's just like, and it's so much like stretchy and fun to play with. Okay, so now it's dried up more. I'm just going to. Alrighty, now that your slime is done doing that, basically what you're going to do is, sorry about that. Oop. Excuse me, Luna. Alright. Oh, it smells so good in here. What's that smell? Come. Okay, so now that your slime is more stretchy, I'm going to show you a different way to help your slime be pokier and stretchier. Again, I guess. Is my lotion still under here? Yeah. Okay, so I got some hand lotion. Doesn't matter what lotion you use. If you have a particular scent that you want in your slime, you could put that lotion. You could literally put any lotion, but I'm just using this hand lotion, not sponsored, and I'm just gonna put some lotion in here. I have a lot of lotion, so it doesn't really matter how much I use. If you have a little amount of lotion, just put a little, obviously, if you don't want to waste it, but like, it's totally up to you. When I have a little, I just use 1 squirt or 2 squirts. But when I have a lot, I use like as much as I want. But I have a lot, so like I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna use the soap and I'm just gonna squirt it out. So you're gonna put a little at a time, like activator. And sorry if these methods don't work for your slime or don't work for you. I'm just doing this video because it works for me, and maybe it's gonna work for you guys. So I'm gonna put some more. Now you can start adding a lot. But the first one you're doing, you should always add a little. And then once again, your slime's gonna feel watery, but obviously the more you play with it, the less watery it will be. Black Jack. Alright, so as you can see, my slime is way more stretchy, and let's see if it's way more pokey. Oh my gosh, yeah. Black Jack. Alright, so now that the slime is more stretchy, more pokey, I'm just going to add more lotion, and I put a lot this time. As I said, I didn't care. I'm just going to rinse my hands because I don't really want lotion on my hands right now. Back, Jack, do it again. Oh my god, I thought I saw something on my slime. I was like, what? But it's just these like dent thingies. Alright, my slime is way more stretchy and it feels so much better. So much. It's gonna feel more sticky. Yeah, but not that sticky. You just have to go like this and it's sticky. And then if it stuck to your hand, you're just gonna like go like that. So now that my slime is all pokey and more stretchy, I'm gonna show you guys the third method. And this doesn't work for everyone. It works for some people, but I like to use hand soap. And I don't know what hand soap is in here right now, but I'm gonna smell it. Okay, so what you're gonna do if you have something like this, if you don't, just like squirt it out. But if you have something like this and it has like a little pick like that, I'm just gonna like put it in like that. And I feel like this is a better method if you have something like this, but if you don't, just obviously poke it. But I think this is a better method. Black Jack, do it again. And this is literally like the same thing as lotion, only like soap. But it does the same thing. Alright, one more and that will be enough, because I put a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh my god, this is like some legit like... Right. I'm not gonna say it, but because like I'm not just gonna do it. Ah, I got my scratching. Alright. Oh my god, I love this slime, even though it's sticking to me every single. Wow. Got my hair. This slime, I really fixed this slime. Like, I'm a slime master. You saw how it was in the beginning of the video. Like, it was like, it didn't even, oh my god. Alright. So now that the slime is pokey and more stretchy, I'm going to show you another method that could help your slime. So, once again, it's a Mudra. And this, like, is a really odd method that no one really particularly knows about it, but it's hair gel. And this is my grandma, so don't tell. I'm just gonna put a little, but it's full, like she never used it, so I'm just gonna put some hair gel. It literally does the same thing as you know, everything else. It's gonna make your slime sticky, obviously, because look at me right now. Like, I look up, no, I'm not gonna put a lot in. Oh my god, this is super sticky. Alright, I'm gonna put that gel away, because this is not really helping with the stickiness, so I'm just gonna put that back. And let's see, do I have anything else? So this is a video where I'm testing like weird products into my slime that I haven't or have tried before, and to help you guys fix your slime up because this is helping. Oh my gosh, I love this slime. I think I like it better than the others. Okay, this is really stuck. I'm just gonna put it down because I don't really like sticky slime. But I just do like the consistency of how it turned out. Oh no, I got stuck to my channel. What up? That's okay. Well, my PJs. I have a romper as PJs. This is a PJ romper. So, I'm gonna actually show you one more thing. It's like a scent for your, it's a scent. I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit in. It's not even coming out. What the heck? I don't know how to do this stuff. You want like, hold up, do you like squirt it? Alright, now I'm gonna try to do some eye drops. Might as well just test it out. I feel so weird. Oh my god, it stinks. Alright, this was the end of my video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications, and comment down below what I should do next. Peace.